AI versus human, the impact of AI on job displacement. A brief introduction. AI has revolutionized our lives and careers. AI can perform tasks traditionally performed by humans, such as learning, answering, farming, spying, and coal mining. As AI becomes increasingly advanced, it begs the question, who performs better, humans or AI? We will compare and check out the strengths and weaknesses of humans and AI in this article. Capabilities of human beings. Ability to think. The cognitive abilities of humans are exceptional. They can have emotional thinking power and logical reasoning power, and they are highly creative and innovative and also contain problem-solving skills. Human beings can learn from experience, adapt to challenging situations, and make decisions based on complex data, which they have gained throughout their lifetime in that particular field. Humans have emotions and empathy, allowing them to understand and connect with others on a deeper level. Physical abilities. Human beings have a body, which helps them do certain tasks that only they can do right now, for example, construction, manufacturing, and transportation. Human beings have feelings that make them completely different from AI. They can feel pain and learn from their darkest experience. They can show compassion to the unwell and can smell great food. They can listen to the flowing river and the morning birds. They can touch and taste the most delicious foods. Social abilities. Humans are social creatures and have exceptional communication abilities. Humans have emotions and feelings with others and form relationships, and those feelings help them even to pursue their goals in life. Humans can work together in a group by making plans to achieve certain goals and even build the most unimaginable thing with their high amount of creativity. Human beings can understand and navigate social hierarchies, enabling leadership and diplomacy. AI capabilities. Cognitive abilities. AI has an advanced system and a lot of data which allows it to perform tasks that require high reasoning, fast decision-making, and learning new skills. AI processes vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. Machine learning algorithm system enable AI to learn from experience and the data provided, adapt to evolving situations, and improve itself over time. AI is also capable of performing super tough and complex mathematical calculations, which helped a lot of students. Physical abilities. AI is not limited by the physical body or tiredness like humans. While humans require rest and recovery, AI can work continuously without breaks or food, but yes, they do need a continuous form of electricity. Nowadays we have robotic tech which is controlled by AI to perform certain tasks which take hours for humans to perform, for example, manufacturing motherboards or other nanotech products. They are even used for mining and space exploration in space. Social abilities. AI is not capable of social interaction like humans, because humans talk with their hearts and feelings, whereas AI does not have feelings. While AI can listen and help you with a lot of matters, still it does not contain any feeling or emotional connection with you. It only needs a command to work and has no wish for its own. This limits its ability to navigate complex social situations or form meaningful relationships. However, AI can be programmed to simulate human conversation, and chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly common in customer service and support roles. Who performs better? The answer to the question of who performs better, humans or AI, is not simple. Humans and AI both have different advantages and disadvantages in different fields. For example, AI can analyze vast amounts of patient data to identify potential diagnoses. However, a human doctor is needed to interpret the results and will talk about the diagnosis the patient is suffering from, with his knowledge and experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, humans and AI have unique and valuable capabilities. While AI is getting more famous and used in different fields, human abilities cannot be replicated 100% by AI or any other machine. Humans and AI should not be viewed as competitors but as collaborators instead.